Hi nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another tutorial. Well, as you can see from the picture and hopefully the corresponding date, today's tutorial is using unicorn stickers or freehand. So I went for stickers and this is how the nails turned out. I really like them. I think they're really pretty, quite funky and just super cute. So if you wanted to see how I do these, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Obviously I will link the Instagram challenge below, so if you want to get involved in them, that's no problem. So for this design I have applied only one coat of number 33 Wild White Ways on my nails, and the products I'll be using is these pastel colours. I will link the names of them all below in the description box. I'll be needing some liquid latex because we're going to do another sponge gradient, and we are going to use these nail stickers as the theme is stickers or freehand. So I will also link where I got these lovely unicorn nail stickers. I know unicorn was so last year, but I'm not over it yet. I absolutely love unicorns. So I'm going to sponge the pink, orange, green, blue, yellow and purple onto my nails, and then we will apply the stickers and we'll be kind of done. However, we are going to use this unicorn pigment. You have seen me use it before. I'll maybe link one of the videos with it up in the corner there, but this just is absolutely stunning and I want to see what it's like over pastels, so it would be a good time as now to do it. So as we are going to do a dabbing gradient on the nails, we're just going to apply some liquid latex just to protect the fingers because it does go everywhere. Now I am speeding this up on the camera. I don't actually do it this fast. So we are just going to apply 2 colours at a time per nail onto the sponge and then dab it onto the nail. I will actually go over all of the nails again just to darken up the colour, because as you can see as I start to dab, it is quite light. Well, they are pastels, so pastels would be light, and if you were using them as a regular polish you would be giving it 2 to 3 coats anyhow. So we will dab it 2 times and that will just give it enough colour for the stickers to go on top of that. They're vibrant enough then. So I have done a second dab on all of the nails just to make the colour a little bit more prominent. So we're going to go in the opposite direction on this hand then. And I'll just allow them to dry and I'll go over all of them a second time as well and remove that liquid latex then. Now I'm just going to top coat them with the gel nail polish top coat. It's a regular polish, and allow a tacky layer to dry before we apply our pigments. So it's pigment time. Now I'm going to use an applicator sponge to apply the pigment, but then I go in actually with my finger. I don't know why I even bothered with the applicator sponge. I always think it goes on much better with my finger. I definitely, by looking in the pot, need to get my hands on some more of this. I have used this an awful lot. If you have a look at some of these videos here, I'll link some in the top right hand corner for you to have a look at sometimes that I have used them in other tutorials, because I absolutely love this pigment. I cannot recommend it enough, and it is one of the cheaper brands out there, and it does not cost that much. I think this was under a fiver anyhow. To seal that in, I'm going to use a sealing top coat. This is the best type of top coat to put in over pigments. It stops them from dulling. But you would go in then with your regular top coat after that. Now I still have a lot of cleanup off that pigment all over my fingers, but a quick wash with some soap will get all that off. I absolutely love how this pigment works over the pastel colours, and again over whites is gorgeous. Over darks, in my opinion, it doesn't work great, but look at that, it's absolutely unicorny. So we will move on to our unicorn stickers, and my favourite one is this little one here. She's so me, and I love this one as well. I really actually like them all. So we're going to place 1 to 2 on each of the fingers, and we will seal it down with some regular top coat, and we're going to be done. I'm just going to use my cuticle nippers just to help me ease up the edges on each of them. I think the old tweezers will be much better. So these are the final nails, and can I say, oh my god, I absolutely adore them. I love the rainbow going across the 10 fingers and how that unicorn pigment just makes a subtle pop from unicorn to chameleon, and the stickers themselves are just so cute and work so well with these colours. But if you like them, why don't you give us a thumbs up, hit that bell and subscribe button so you don't miss any more. But in the meantime, guys, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.